Hello and welcome back. This is step 3. We're going to be covering setting up NinjaTrader, which is the platform that you're going to be placing trades in and managing all your Apex accounts. Whether you have evaluation accounts, performance accounts, funded accounts, whatever you may have, everything's going to be executed through NinjaTrader. We're going to go through that right now. Should only take you 5-10 minutes. It really shouldn't take too long to go through this. What's really exciting is once we get through this step, you're going to be good to go. You're going to be all set up. You're going to be able to start making trades in your evaluation account. Then after this step, we'll get into strategies and exact ways to place trades. So we're really getting to the fun stuff. All right. What you want to do is go over to this website. You're going to find this in your welcome email from Apex Trader Funding from them. After you purchased your evaluation account, they're going to send you this link, and you just click on that link to get set up. Then you're going to confirm your email address. This will get you set up into the platform. And this page is where you're going to create your username. This username and password is what you're going to be using to log in to NinjaTrader. So when you get all set up and you have the platform on your desktop, this is what you're going to be using to log in to your trading platform. So make sure you remember your username and your password. Once you get logged in, you're going to see a screen like this. On the very bottom, you're going to want to click on that link there. Okay, you don't want to click on these two here. You want to make sure you click on where it says additional options. Go down to that very last option there, and it says import license key. You want to click on import license key, which is under the additional options. And what you do there is import your license key. That came on your email from Apex Trader Funding. You received your Rithmic information, your ID, your password. I showed this email in the last couple videos. When you click on that link, you're going to see your NinjaTrader license key. I suggest you cut and paste that in NinjaTrader. Don't try to type it. It's easier if you just cut and paste it and make sure there's no extra spaces. A second place you can find your information is when you log into Apex Trader Funding, click on the dashboard, and then you scroll all the way down to the end. It's the fourth one from the bottom. It says NT8, which is NinjaTrader 8, setup and key. Click that, and you'll also get your NinjaTrader key there as well. So you get it in the email that Apex sends you, or you can get it over here. Once you do that, go back into NinjaTrader and click on this first link here, okay? And that first link gives you the ability of getting NinjaTrader for free. Other real-time money users need to pay a monthly fee, but by going through Apex Trader Funding and because you purchased your evaluation account, you're going to have free real-time monthly data. When you get in, it's going to bring you to this screen. Click download most recent release. Once you download, go through the prompts, your normal software setup prompts. You're going to want to make sure you allow it to make changes to your desktop because this is a desktop platform. As you go through the normal installation process, you get to this point. We're almost to the end. Now, at this point in time, this is where you're going to want to enter in that username and password that you just set up here a little bit ago. So put your username and password in there, click log in. Do not use down here where it says sign in with Google or sign in with Apple. Don't click those links there. It sometimes creates connectivity issues. So just make sure you always use the username and password when you log into NinjaTrader, okay? And then after you do that, you're going to want to go up here to the right-hand side where it says connections. You click on connections, you're going to see a drop down. Go to this little on the bottom right where it says configure. Click on configure. Go down here where it says Rithmic for NinjaTrader. Click on that and click OK. On the bottom, you're going to see My Rithmic for NinjaTrader. Click on that as well. Over here, put in your Apex username and password. This is the one that you get from Apex Trader Funding when they email it to you. You're going to see it in here. You can also get it in that drop down that I showed you earlier on the Apex dashboard. All the way down to the bottom, that drop down arrow where I showed you last time when you get in. And you're also going to see your Apex username and password. This is not the one that you just set up. This is the one Apex Trader Funding provides you. So make sure that goes in there. Once you do that, click this drop down arrow and make sure you choose Apex. Then you're going to be set up. When you log into your NinjaTrader dashboard, go up to connections. You're going to see a drop down and it should say My Rithmic for NinjaTrader Brokerage. Click that and you're in. On the bottom, you can click on Positions and Accounts. Those are the first two you're going to want to get familiar with. So this is Positions, and it has various headings up here. You can go into Settings and create different headings here if you want. Then also Accounts. You click on that tab on the bottom, go into Settings, and you can switch this around as well. After that, you click New, go down to Basic Entry, and that's where you place a trade. We're going to get into this in the next video. For a quick example, if I go into my Ninja, you'll see I click on the top. You'll see it has a little green dot there. That means it's live. You'll also see a little green dot here on the bottom left. That means it's live. If you see it red, that means you're offline. It has to be green. Then all you simply do is go up here to where it says New, hit Basic Entry, click on that, and right here is your trading screen. So for example, if I want to go to a simulation, all my accounts here are listed, and I'm just going to go into simulation for right now. If I just go to the type of the trade, if I go on market, and I want to make sure my instrument is the NASDAQ, you can choose many different types of instruments. There's all kinds of different instruments here you can trade. I can hit just buy at the market. Right there, orders filled. You can see I have one that I bought. There's the price I bought at. And right here is going to show the P&L as it starts going up and going down. If you want to close it out, you just right click on that and I can hit flatten everything if I have a whole list of a lot of trades at one time, or I could hit close position and it exits. So that's a basic introduction. Please come back and join me on video number 4. We'll start from here and we'll get into how to place different trades to get you up and running. In no time, we're going to have you going here and we'll get you making money. Make it a great day. Thanks for joining me on this video. Click video number 4, which is how to place trades in NinjaTrader. Thanks again, and talk to you real soon.